Do you find it annoying that your phone automatically adjusts the screen brightness depending on the surrounding light? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to turn off auto brightness on your iPhone so that you can have full control over your screen's brightness. If you want your screen to always look the way you want, just follow these simple steps. So, here's how, friends. First, on the home screen, find Settings and open it right away. Once you have opened Settings, the next step is to scroll down a bit, find the Accessibility option, and tap on it to open it. After opening this option, the next step is to go to the Vision section, find Display and Text Size, and tap on it to open it. When you're on the Display and Text Size settings page, you will see several options. Scroll all the way down, and near the bottom of the screen, you will find the Auto Brightness option. All you need to do is tap the switch next to it to turn it off. Once you have disabled this option, your screen brightness will no longer adjust automatically based on ambient light. Instead, you will be able to manually adjust the brightness according to your needs using the Control Center or Display settings. Keep in mind that turning off the auto brightness feature may affect battery life, as the screen might stay brighter for longer periods. That's why it is recommended to manually adjust the brightness as needed to conserve battery life. And that would be the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, just leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and of course, see you very soon in my next video.